Selling on Amazon isn't just about offering great products. It's about mastering the metrics that drive your business's success. In this video, we'll explore how metrics like click-through rate or CTR, cost per click or CPC, conversion rate, and sessions hold the keys to unlocking your Amazon seller potential and building a brand that's not just profitable, but also highly valuable in the eyes of potential buyers. So let's jump into how to position your brand and Amazon business to be sellable and attractive to potential buyers. First, we're going to start off with me telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. Conversion rate is pretty much everything that we're about. We love focusing in on that and figuring out how can we get that conversion rate as high as possible. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads that can be used for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com, and to view our pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. All right, so let's dive deeper into those metrics that matter, starting with click-through rate, or CTR. CTR measures how effectively your product listings attract clicks. A higher CTR means more shoppers are engaging with your listings. Why it matters. A well-optimized CTR isn't just about attracting clicks, it's about grabbing the attention of potential customers in this highly competitive Amazon marketplace. It's like having a magnetic storefront that entices people to walk in. Moreover, Amazon's algorithm loves high CTR listings, which can lead to better organic rankings, more visibility, and ultimately more sales. In other words, a robust CTR is the initial spark that can ignite a wildfire of success for your Amazon business. Now you may be asking or wondering, how do I get a higher CTR? Well, it comes down to split testing your main listing image. You want to have a wide variety of those white background main images that you can split test to see which one is going to give you the highest CTR. If you need help with this, me and my team would love to help you out. Again, book that free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. Another metric that matters is cost per click, or CPC. CPC determines how much you pay each time a shopper clicks on your ad. The lower CPC means efficient ad spending. Why it matters. Your Amazon business's profitability hinges on managing your costs effectively. A lower CPC isn't just about saving money on advertising. It's about squeezing every drop of value from your ad budget. By continuously optimizing keywords, ad campaigns, and targeting, you not only reduce your expenses, but also ensure that each click brings you closer to a sale. In essence, CPC is the financial lifeline of your Amazon venture, and optimizing it is a key to keeping your business in the green. CPC and CTR go hand in hand. They're like best friends. So the higher you can get that CTR, click-through rate, the better cost your CPC, cost per click, is gonna be. Conversion rate. Conversion rate reflects the percentage of shoppers who make a purchase after visiting your product page. Why it matters. A high conversion rate isn't just about winning a sale. It's a testament to your ability to connect with your audience and close deals effectively. When customers land on your product page, they are in a store browsing the aisles. A compelling listing can turn a casual browser into a paying customer. Moreover, a solid conversion rate means that you're getting the most out of every visitor on your product page, increasing your ROI on advertising efforts. In short, a stellar conversion rate is the engine that drives your sales machine, and optimizing it is key to turning clicks into cash. This is why at Evolve Media, we focus so majorly on conversion rate through our photos, videos, and overall content, how we position the brand. We're trying to get that conversion rate as high as possible, because when that's as high as possible, like 10, 15, or 20%, then your return on ad spend is a lot greater because the more people that are going to your listing are actually converting and buying, which Amazon likes, so they reward you by putting you higher in the organic search results, and everything just falls into place once you have a really high conversion rate. The next metric that matters is sessions. Sessions are the number of times shoppers visit your product listings. Why it matters. Sessions are the lifeblood of your Amazon business. Each session represents an opportunity, a potential customer, and a chance to make a sale. More sessions mean more eyes on your products and more opportunities to showcase your offerings. Driving traffic to your listings through various strategies, including advertising, SEO, like organic rankings, and social media, off Amazon stuff, isn't just about increasing numbers, it's about expanding your potential customer base and strengthening your brand's presence on Amazon. In a world where attention is currency, sessions are your golden ticket to success. The net profit connection, customer lifetime value, or CLV. CLV measures the total value a customer brings into your business over their lifetime as a customer. Typically, that's defined as an annual or a yearly period. Why it matters. Your Amazon business isn't just about transactions, it's about relationships. A high CLV isn't just about extracting maximum value from each customer. It's about creating lasting bonds and fostering loyalty. Customers with a high CLV are your brand advocates, your most reliable source of revenue, and your best promoters. They return to your store, they refer their buddies, and they leave glowing reviews. In essence, CLV is the North Star guiding your business strategy, pointing you toward long-term profitability and sustained success. When building a sellable brand, start with the end in mind. Many successful Amazon sellers position their brands to be sellable from day one. Why it matters. A brand built to sell isn't just about the exit strategy. It's about creating a business that's efficient and runs itself. When I say runs itself, I mean it's easily scalable, which makes it highly valuable. When you approach your Amazon venture with the intent of making it sellable, you're essentially crafting a well-oiled machine that can operate smoothly with minimal hands-on involvement. It means meticulous financial records, clean operations, and a strong brand reputation. In the world of mergers and acquisitions, a business designed for sale isn't just appealing, it's irresistible to potential buyers. It's also not super common because so many people run their businesses messily. So if you can be super clean and organized and efficient with your operations and systems, then you're going to be very attractive to potential buyers. Which leads me to my next point, systems and processes. Streamlined operations and documented processes make a business more attractive to buyers. Why it matters. Think of your business as a well-tuned racing engine. Systems and processes are the gears and levers that ensure it runs smoothly. When potential buyers evaluate your business, they seek efficiency and predictability. They want to see that your operations are well organized, your inventory management is on point, and your customer service is top-notch. Well-documented systems and processes not only reduce the learning curve for new owners, but also instill confidence in the buyer's ability to continue thriving after the sale. It's like handing over the keys to a turnkey operation, and that's an offer few buyers can refuse. No buyer wants to buy a business only for it to crumble in their hands like it was sand just sitting in their fingers, right? They want to be able to buy it, check out, and have that thing pumping out cash. The importance of focus groups. Conducting focus groups can greatly reduce the risk associated with product launches. Why it matters. Product research and development are inherently risky endeavors. When you bring potential customers into the equation through focus groups, you're essentially de-risking your product launches. You're gaining invaluable insights into what resonates with your target audience and what doesn't. It's like having a crystal ball that can foresee potential challenges and pitfalls. It's going to save you a ton of money investing into focus groups. So what's the end result? Reduced risk, better product market fit, and ultimately higher chances of massive success. Monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. MRR from subscription-based products can substantially affect your business's valuation. This is why I always recommend to people to launch consumable brands, consumable products, so that you can get a high CLV and have those customers buying from you over and over and over, month after month. It is challenging, and some of those products are very saturated, but it's going to give you and your business the highest valuation. Why it matters. Imagine your Amazon business as a real estate investment. MRR from subscriptions is like owning a rental property with guaranteed monthly income. It adds stability, predictability, and attractiveness to your business. Buyers are much more inclined to pay a premium for a business with a steady stream of recurring revenue. You know, that multiple on that net profit is going to be a lot higher if you've got a pretty solid MRR. It's not just about what your business has earned in the past. You know, that's great and all, but the buyer is not going to necessarily get that money when they buy it because past returns don't necessarily indicate future returns. But when you have MRR or subscriptions, you know, subscribe and save type of things set up, it does more indicate future returns. It's all about the reliable income it promises in the future. Impact on business valuation. When selling your Amazon business, net profit greatly influences its valuation, like I just mentioned a couple seconds ago. Why it matters. Your business valuation is essentially a reflection of its current and future earning potential. A healthy net profit driven by optimized metrics and sustainable revenue streams sends a powerful message to potential buyers. It tells them that your business is not just a flash in the pan. It's a solid investment with a proven profitability record and growth potential. In the world of business acquisitions, profitability is the golden ticket that opens doors and commands higher multiples. Lastly, you have got to know that PPC and split testing can make or break your entire business. So I highly recommend you make a little bit of testing around with split testing a high priority. You must have laser-focused PPC management as well. To control CPC and maximize your profitability, sellers must manage PPC campaigns with military precision. This includes rigorous keyword research to identify high volume, low competition search terms priced within your budget. Implement negative keyword campaigns to reduce irrelevant traffic that won't convert. You know, that's going to hurt your conversion rate. Airtight bid optimization tactics ensure you pay the minimum needed to maintain rank, but not a penny more. Statistics show optimizing bids can slash CPC, cost per click, by up to 30%. Consult analytics to identify losing keywords that burn budget without results. Eliminate or optimize these to streamline spend. Plus, utilize Amazon's automatic targeting tools to optimize bids and CPC across the campaign. The most successful sellers scrutinize PPC performance daily to minimize waste and drain every drop of value from their ad spend. You must have a ruthless testing culture. Leading Amazon sellers adopt a persistent testing mindset. They A/B test elements like copy, keywords, images, and pricing to squeeze higher performance from each listing. They're also testing different video ads to see which one is going to give them that best click-through rate and cost per click. According to analytics firm A/B Tasty, optimized pages see conversion rate lift between 15 to 500%. I know that's a big range, but either way, you're going to see a conversion rate lift when you're messing around with A/B testing. Testing product variations, discounts, and messaging unlocks what resonates most with your audience. When layered with qualitative insights from focus groups and interviews, A/B testing provides complete intelligence to maximize conversions. A culture focused on iteration and improvement will always outflank sellers who rest on their laurels. Testing discipline is the hidden weapon to unlock untapped potential. All right, I know I covered a lot in this video, so I'll just wrap it up by saying, in the dynamic world of Amazon selling, metrics aren't just numbers, they are the pulse of your business. Focusing on CTR, CPC, conversion rate, sessions, CLV, and MRR can significantly boost your net profit and enhance the desired ability of your brand when it's time to sell. By adopting a strategic approach, implementing systems and processes, and harnessing the power of data, you can position your Amazon business for long-term success and maximize its value in the competitive marketplace. So start optimizing your metrics today and pave the way for a prosperous and profitable Amazon selling journey. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. But before I sign off, again, if you want to book a free consulting call with me, go to emaamz.com. And to get my free Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one.